everybody, this is Cant. I'm gonna teach y'all how to kick the biggest whitetail bucktail. We're gonna do a little hunting, so y'all be quiet. I love hunting. I get away from Bird Dog Sally. What's the world? I see something. Just look a little bit. Oh, I see it. I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna call him. I called him. Lord, that's the biggest whitetail. See him. I see him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Be quiet. Be very quiet. No. Lord, I didn't get the deer. I didn't kill him. I got something for him. I got right here. Right here. Look, did I get it? Lord, it ain't nothing left of that deer. Look, y'all call. That's the game warden. Y'all leave. Bye.